There's a lot to talk about, so let's get started. Good morning. This is Fred Mitchell, Chair of the Progressive Liberal Party, Minister for the Foreign Service, MP for Fox Hill, and today is Monday. It's the 20th of April, 2026. The advance poll is the 30th of April, 2026, and the deadline for registering for that poll is the 25th of April, 2026. I want to thank the people of Exuma for the warm welcome to me and my delegation when we visited on Friday last to speak in support of their MP and our Deputy Prime Minister, Chester Cooper. We wish them the very best going forward. I had a delightful time with the children of L.W. Young on Friday past, and I thank them for their kind tribute to me for the support that I've given their school. Thank you to their teacher, Mrs. Anita Wilmot, as well. I had another delightful inning speaking on behalf of Prime Minister Philip Davis at the Martin Luther King Memorial Foundation College Fair at the University of the Bahamas on Saturday past. We have quite a group of smart young people coming up behind us, and thank you to them. Enjoyed talking to them. As for the presentation at L.W. Young, our young pilot, Captain Gibson, spoke to the L.W. Young children about God's way of solving problems for man. It was the late U.S. President Jack Kennedy who reminded us in his inaugural address that God's work on this earth is truly our own. Captain Gibson told the children that God sends messengers to do his work. The next morning, though, I received a call from Jackie Pratt, one of our poll captains, because a young physiotherapist, Shaquana Young, was looking for a mission for the PLP that had so far gone unanswered. I responded by saying that I knew two people, one with multiple sclerosis, the other a paraplegic stroke victim, and they both needed help that I as an MP had been asked to supply, but I had no idea how to get it done. In this case, she was surely God's messenger, and her application to the lady with multiple sclerosis allowed this lady to sit up out of bed for the first time in 3 years. The whole house was awash in tears of joy. The wife of the stroke victim said she was so grateful she could see the improvement immediately. This was one of my finest moments as a Member of Parliament, and I thank God and Ms. Young, God's messenger. And this brings me to healthcare generally. The United States government intervened in the public debate over the construction of a new hospital in the Bahamas, ground for which was broken after 3 years of delay on Friday past. According to the statement by the government of the Bahamas in response, the delay was due in part to seeking a solution from the United States of America, which ultimately was not forthcoming. The government statement said that the Foreign Ministry would seek an urgent clarification of the U.S. statement. Meanwhile, on Wednesday, the 22nd of April, 2026, 6 nurses will be honored in a ceremony over which the Prime Minister will preside. That's Wednesday. It will be my honor as Member of Parliament for Fox Hill to recognize the work and mission of the late Enid Cooper, Sybil Curtis, Mary Johnson, who's still with us. Brendel Cox is the late Brendel Cox. Esmeralda Rutherford is still with us, and so is Celeste Lockhart. Thank you, ladies, for your contribution. Thank you to your families. Healthcare is my number one focus going forward in the next term of office. God bless you. God bless the Commonwealth of the Bahamas. Across the country today, PLP, all the way.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of the Honorable Minister Fred Mitchell, coming to you every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, bringing it to you, no holds barred, minute by minute. Until next time, do enjoy your day.